chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you'll make her just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Jessie Lynn Somerville Kane. Thank you for being here. If you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss any future videos. If you're returning, thank you so much for your support. It means everything to me. And today's video is going to be on my top 5 favorite high-end powders. And I filmed a video just now, so I am going to be wearing the same shirt in 2 or 3 videos. I'm going to try to film another one after this. This is going in no particular order. This is just me grabbing them and talking about them. So first is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, and I love this stuff. It is more of a matte finish, so I don't use it if I'm using a matte foundation, but it does give a smooth, flawless look to my skin, a more flat look because it is matte. It's better used for me like on my forehead areas and whatnot. And when I use matte powders, I'll usually use some type of other powder underneath my eye just to be on the safe side. Next is the Too Faced Primed and Poreless Skin Smoothing Pressed Powder. And I love this stuff. It just looks like this, and then it has a little thing which I never use, but it's cool that it's in there in case you're traveling and forget a brush or something. So I always try to leave them in there in case of emergencies. But it does an amazing job at getting in my pores, smoothing my skin out, making it look flawless. I love that stuff. Next is the All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder from Urban Decay, and it looks like it's tinted, but it's not. It does match whatever skin tone. I used it before I started tanning, and I use it now. And either way, it matched really well. It's really good at helping your makeup last all day. It doesn't make it look matte. It doesn't make it look dry. I love it. But yet it does absorb oil and stuff, so it lasts longer. Or your makeup lasts longer. I love it. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend trying it. Next, and I think this will always be a favorite of mine. It's the Too Faced Born This Way Setting Powder, and I love it. It'd be better if I didn't have it upside down. But I love this stuff. It is amazing. It makes my skin look flawless. It holds everything in place. It doesn't, you know, make my makeup move around. It doesn't make it look dry or patchy or anything like that. And next, oh, I'm so happy I tried this. I was so scared. It's the Tarte Shape Tape Powder. Y'all, I'm loving it because their concealer, or the Shape Tape concealer, is so drying. I was so scared that this was going to be too drying for me. Another hiccup. But it claims that it adds moisture to those dry places and absorbs oil, and I was so scared that it wasn't going to do that, but it does. It's awesome. Like, you can feel it whenever you put it on, like drying down, absorbing that oil. And then whenever I first tried it, I was so scared that it was going to leave my face dry and flaky, but all it did was just absorb that moisture, and the places that are usually dry, they weren't. Like, it's awesome. So if you haven't tried it yet because you're scared it's going to be too dry, I highly recommend trying it. But just remember, if you do try it and you're like, oh, I hate this, just remember everybody's skin is different. So what works on one person may not work on somebody else. That is it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And I'm hoping by now I am at 1K, and I'm hoping my giveaway is going on. But if it's not, hold tight. It's coming soon. And I will see y'all in my next video. Toodles.